Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to talk to you about the Retractable Ratchet Tie Down by S-Line. If you've ever been securing a load and you don't know what to do with your excess strap, this is the product for you. It has a retractable ratchet which will store all the webbing for you, keep it out of your way so it helps for a nice, easy, secure load. To kind of go over a few of the specifications for this ratchet, this particular one is 6 feet long and has a working load limit of 500 pounds. And to kind of take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the retractable ratchet tie down. Now, the first thing that pops out when you look at it, it's very organized. When it's all retracted, it's short. You know that if you have like a bin or something that you keep all your tie downs, if you throw it in there, there's less chance of it getting tangled because it's not long, it's nice and secure. To kind of take a look at the fixed end of it, each end actually has a coated S-hook. This is coated and rounded at the end to prevent abrasion and so on. And it also contains a safety clip to kind of help secure the load wherever you're hooking it onto. Now, to take a look at the main part of this is the retractable ratchet. It's really cool. When you pull it out, you can pull it out to the right spot wherever you need it. Now, to kind of use the retractable, it has this red button right here. You push that and you have the freedom to make it glide nice and easy. So when using it, you would take the S-hooks and you'd put it where you need to, and then you would just adjust it to where you need it. Once you have it to the adjusted part, you would just pull up the ratchet itself and then tighten it down to a secure position. Now, once you have it in where you need it, it holds nice and tight. It's not going to slip. It glides nice and easy when you use the ratchet. Overall, it's a very nice quality, and you don't want to push it all the way down, because if you push it all the way down, that allows it to glide up. So when you have it in a secure position, you'll just want it up on that upper lip right there so it stays nice and tight. So overall, it's a very nice fabric. It has a webbing that is very soft, also abrasive resistant. Compared to other ratchets that we felt, this is one of the softest that we've been able to feel. And overall, it's just a really nice ratchet and will work great for securing your load. All right, once again, this is the retractable ratchet tie down by S-Line. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.